Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Rise Dine. We have a new one for you today. It's only been open 5 months. Butterface. Let's go. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
And welcome back to Rise Dine.
And it is a brisk day here in Las Vegas.
It's February. It's so dang cold.
Yes,
but
there's snow all over the mountains. It's actually quite gorgeous.
It's beautiful, but geez, it's cold. So if you're new, I'm Stacy.
And I'm Bob, and we are Rise and Dine.
So what we normally do and what we're doing today is highlighting local great breakfast places all over the valley. So
today we are happy to be at a new place in the southwest part of the valley called Butterface. How they came up with that name, we don't know. I'm saying this for the benefit of the server.
So we'll find out.
Yes.
But it's beautiful in here, and first impression is it's a lovely place. And I say it all the time, but all the architecture in Vegas is supremely boring, let's admit it. But in yet another strip mall area, down here at, where are we?
We are off Russell on Fort Apache.
There you go.
And this is a very, we used to live around here, and it's a growing area, the Southwest.
Right,
There's so much going
from
on.
the outside, it's just one more strip mall. I know, I say it a lot. I just wish somehow it would magically change. I don't know, but inside.
This is a new city.
Inside, it's delightful.
Yeah,
it has wonderful atmosphere.
Beautifully designed, decorated.
And I hate to use the word elevated because it gets used so often. But it's kind of that.
Yes.
It's a very nice place for brunch, or if you want to do something a little extra special brunch, or a
great place for a morning date. Guys. You want to go on a date, something different, if it's a first date, this is the place.
This would be a really nice place.
They have cocktails. They have, and talk about the word elevated, the menu here.
Yeah. But first, you know what's coming.
Yes. As in every episode, we always start our breakfast episodes with the coffee taste.
I'm going with cappuccino, so you can't go totally by me, except for maybe the roast or the espresso.
I have the plain black drip coffee, so let's give it a taste.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, yes, yes. A real good, strong, full-bodied coffee, not that Kona hit you in the back of the throat.
I know, we're a broken record with that.
That is a very, 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 very nice cup of coffee.
Hooray.
I'm happy.
Hooray.
Great start to a great breakfast.
All right. Let's go over this menu because
I have to say,
it's really good.
It is a killer menu.
And what I like is I like that the menu is super straightforward. Food on one side, cocktails on the other, done and done. And while I appreciate places with like pages and pages of options, that it's really hard. This is very specific, very well crafted and curated is what I want to say. But here's what looks amazing to me. So on the appetizers list, they have a thing called the butter board, which I've never seen before, which is...
It's different sampling of different butters and bread, you know.
So it's just you get some ciabatta and a super awesome butter and coffee. That could be breakfast for me, just right there. That's amazing.
An Italian-inspired breakfast brunch menu. And truthfully, in Italy, breakfast is very different than in America.
Yeah.
It is a pastry or a bread product with cappuccino. Basically, that's it, or granita if you're in Sicily.
Yeah. Eggs are not a morning thing.
No,
but
it's a lunch thing.
You got to hear some of these things on here.
Fantastic.
They have biscotti parfait. So it's fresh berries, almonds, Greek yogurt, lemon, mint, and honey with biscotti laid in there. Then they have a peach bruschetta. So it's grilled peaches, cherry tomatoes,
Wow.
onions, garlic, balsamic, hot honey, goat cheese, basil on a chop.
My mouth is watering
Right?
just having you go through what's in that.
There,
Oh my
there's,
God, it's incredible.
And you'll see what we are trying off of this list that sounded incredible. But in the appetizers also is peanut butter overnight oats. Oh my gosh. Grilled peaches again, almonds, raspberry chia seed jam, mint, truffle fries. I'm not a truffle person, but I know that's up on a lot of people. They have these insane toasts, like an avocado toast, but one of them is strawberries and mascarpone, balsamic marinated strawberries, pistachios, and basil.
So you get a little of that.
Come on. Pizzas, pastas, salad.
They have cacio e pepe if you're here for lunch, because it is a breakfast lunch place.
Yeah.
And sandwiches look amazing.
Yeah.
Prosciutto sandwich, chicken cutlet. If you're Italian, if you're a New York guy, a chicken cutlet sandwich, come on, that's
He
a
likes to
staple.
make that at home.
Yeah,
so
of course.
He loves it. So there's an insane amount of delicious looking breakfast things.
Yes.
I can't name them all, but you'll see them on the thing. On the flip side, they have all these specialty cocktails that are a hoot. We are getting what is called the Sicilian Sunrise
I
to
can't
try.
wait to taste that.
And then I am trying one of the mocktails because they are priced properly.
Yeah,
Oftentimes,
see, that is a pet peeve of mine when you go to a restaurant and they have mocktails and they're charging you, especially if you're going to the Strip, they're charging you like anywhere from $18 to $22 for a mocktail.
are you
for
kidding me
juice.
already?
Come on.
So, their mocktails are the same price as their fresh juices. So
Which is what it should be.
that seems fine.
Very,
So I'm
very
getting
reasonable.
essentially the mojito. They call it the pineapple coconut no-hito because there's no alcohol in it. So, and then they have reds, whites, bubblies, and pinks.
Hi, how are you?
I'm Chefy.
Hi, Chefy.
Oh, great.
We're going to talk to the chef, remember? We'll be right back. Very nice.
Yeah, we just had a quick little conversation with the chef, Eve.
She
who
came out to greet
chat.
us, and we told her who we are, what we do, and
What we're
here to
ordering.
celebrate this new restaurant, as we love celebrating mom and pop, small off-strip breakfast and lunch places.
So that was a
Awesome.
fun surprise.
Yes.
Yay.
Yes.
Oh, they've only been open since September
Yeah.
of 2025, and this is February of 26. So relatively new. We've been meaning to get down here for a minute, but once we heard about it, but holidays, things, stuff happens. Anyways,
Stuff
we're here
happens,
now.
Travel, everything else.
Okay.
Well, this is exciting.
Yeah. Okay. So off the appetizer menu, we ordered.
Wow. Look at
Look
that.
at that.
That is the breakfast calzone. This looks absolutely beautiful. Let's dip it in
Red sauce.
the pomodoro sauce here. Ching.
Ching. Ooh, hot.
Wow.
Oh my God. All right, we're gonna have to. We have, as usual, we've ordered a lot because we want to taste a lot, we want to show a lot. But honestly, one of these and coffee and juice. That's my day. There's eggs, there's sausage.
Wow. This is crazy. What an idea. I've not seen this
I've never seen it
anywhere.
before.
Look at that. Crispy.
I will go. You know?
Oh.
Sausage.
So good. That calzone was insane. It was so good. But I just realized that my sweater here is kind of blending in with the back of
I know
this.
we're sort of. Oops! I touched my. We're kind of coordinated to our environment today. With the
I know,
black
I
and
may
whites
be
and the
fading
grays.
in. I just might be ahead on camera, you know? But that was great. I can't wait for the rest of the food to come and my cocktail. Ooh. Oh, cheers. Morning cocktails. Nothing like it.
Wow.
Oh,
Right here, you try mine, I'll try yours.
Sicilian sunrise. Do you remember what's in mine? Because
Ooh. Okay, so this was, it's kind of like an amaretto sour with extra juice.
yeah.
So it's amaretto, it's Prosecco.
Yes.
There's orange, there's lemon, there's cranberry. And then I think there's candied orange peel in here somewhere. But this
On the bottom.
is a lovely alternative to
Wow.
like the mimosa idea. It's got a little more kick to it.
Much better than a mimosa.
But yeah, I like the little bit of a cranberry tang is
Yeah,
very
and
nice. I'm fond of that.
That is a delicious mocktail. But you know what it needs? Rum.
Look how pretty that is. I don't even want to wreck it by making a bite. Look at these very elegant little forks and knives. All right, this looks amazing. That
What do
is
we
so
think?
good.
So good.
That was so good. And
That
it is
looks
February, so of course these are not fresh peaches. Where are you going to get fresh peaches in February? But they have been grilled, so they're kind of caramelized and delicious. I'll never get through this, but I don't care.
We'll give it the
I'll
old
give it as much
college
as I
try.
can. Damn. Big, fluffy French toast. Let me turn it around so you can see. Big old fluffy French toast. It's very crispy. Then it's got this wonderful little streusely cinnamon stuff going on. And then this mapley butter thing. I want more of that. Man. So our server told us she serves more of this than anything else on the menu. So you got to try something that is that popular.
Absolutely.
And it's fabulous.
Okay, so I'm so excited to try this. This is a dish that I grew up with. My grandmother used to make this for me all the time. It's called eggs in purgatory, or if you're Italian, uvo in purgatorio. So here we go. Look at this. Oh my God. Got some nice crusty bread here. I'm just going to rip it apart. Oh, look at that. For my Italian friends, buon appetito.
Did they nail it?
Yes. Oh. Basil on top. And they put goat cheese on here, which is quite interesting. Grandma didn't do that because goat cheese was probably something we couldn't get.
I bet your grandma did mozzarella.
My God. My goodness. So. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's
Another
so
winner.
savory, so tangy, the sauce. You know how particular I can be with sauces. This is so tangy, so perfect with the eggs. The eggs will cook perfect. Winner. Love it. Yeah, I'm going to give you a taste of this
Okay.
because it's really worth it. Oh, yeah, that crunch?
Wow.
Right?
Wow. That's really good.
Now, I've had this dish all around town,
Yeah.
but for at least 4 times.
Did this win?
This is pretty top of the line here.
All right. So turnabout is fair play.
Yes, and thank you, because I really want to try this.
What do you think?
Well, you know, I'm a savory guy, not a sweet guy. But that being said, that is pretty awesome. That is pretty awesome. I mean, I like the peach. I like the consistency. The French toast itself, the thickness of it, but yet it's not hard. It's pretty cool. Once again, we say
Delicious,
it,
and we are overserved.
yes, but
With food, not with
With food.
alcohol.
but that cocktail was wonderful.
Yes, we were debating how might we create that at home, I wonder. So,
Yes, different variations. You know, trying to come up.
and as a vote for the coffee, I've never done this before, but that coffee's so tasty. I said, "Can I have one to go,
Get
please?"
one to go, and I'm on my third cup. I'm gonna float right out of here. But I have to say, I was really happy with this place, and I'm so thrilled that a new breakfast place is open, and they're doing extremely well. There's a couple of different rooms here where they can have meetings.
Yeah, which was
there's a-
going on.
in both side rooms, and then the main dining room here with the bar.
So if you
was
want to
pretty
have
cool.
an event here, they have the space for it.
Yes.
And kind of a private space. You know, you're not amongst the general population for your, I don't know, bridal brunch or a baby shower or
It's
office meeting, whatever. It's very
you
nice
could-
for that.
Yes, and the food,
Come on now.
awesome.
It was great.
The menu. If you can't find something that will turn you on, well, I'm sorry.
That's bad on you.
Then go to Denny's, okay? You know, what can I say?
You can go to one of the diners that we love. Don't get us wrong.
No,
but
yeah,
this is
true. This was, as you know, I don't really like using the word elevated.
I know. I
'Cause it's
said
so
it already.
pretentious.
It kind
But
of is. But
It
is.
was.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
It's just a little step
Yeah.
up.
Yes,
So-
it was.
So if you want something like that, come on out here to the Southwest, Fort Apache and Russell.
Yep.
Butterface.
It's a little south of Russell, but Fort
Butterface.
Apache.
Butterface.
I don't know where they got the name from, but you know what? It's a great menu, great staff. Eve is a wonderful chef, great bartender, great servers. Come out and enjoy it. And we will see you next week.
Thanks for watching.